specific leadership style. Sa akin, you just act yourself. Yung naturally. You just come out naturally yung leadership style mo. Of course, yung natutunan natin sa mga institutions like in the academy or other schools, these are just guides. Yung mga leadership traits, leadership attributes, and the principles of leadership ay para lang i-reinforce yung inherent na leadership within yourself. All leadership still boils down to the character of the person. And character na de-develop dyan sa upbringing mo sa family, doon sa environment na pinaglakihan mo, then all other institution na pinanggalingan mo. Elementary, high school, college, and the military, the academy.
For the past 1 hour, we discussed the following: definition of terms, leadership traits and garrison duties, case study example, management functions such as planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and coordinating. And of course, the staff administration that includes office relationship, security, financial management, morality, parenting or soldier and their families, and of course, physical training. That ends my lesson for today. I hope that all of you will be an effective instrument in our organization.